Hey, what's up, guys? Me again. I did a short video with the dog camera. We went down to Jefferson Point, a private neighborhood. I didn't know that at the time. I was talking with a guy waiting in the ferry line about the fact that Marine Area 10 opens so early and Marine Area 9 is open for like 2 weeks. And I'm really pissed about that, and I don't understand why. I guess part of me thinks that maybe it's because a lot of people fish Marine Area 9 from the shore, and there aren't any places to fish Marine Area 10 from the shore. Not really. If you know of a place, leave it down below in the comments and I'll go down there. I won't give away your secret spot if you don't want me to. You can also direct message me, I guess. I think I have those open. Anyways, yeah, so I'm going to put out just a short little video of me exploring Jefferson Point. I went down to the pier, checked it out. Pretty long, steep hill to get down there if you're not a member. There's also no parking anywhere. I parked in the private parking area. I probably shouldn't have, but I'm trying to find a good spot in Marine Area 10 that's on the west side of the Puget Sound. And this is the only place I've ever found where it seems like it's viable for fishing, and you'll see why in the video. I pick up the dog and I kind of point her around to spots later in the video, but for now, check out the video, and thanks for watching.
She's friendly too. Come on, Spence.
forgetting to point you like a camera dog. Okay, this is Jefferson Point. Looks like there's a few fishermen down here. This is a private area. I don't have a key, thus I probably shouldn't be here. There are a few people fishing. This is area 10. I don't know if you guys can see it, but over there is Mount Rainier, and then right next to it, Seattle. Lots of boats out here. I'm not even sure you can hear me, but this may or may not be a sneak in to fish on a weekday kind of area. I'm not going to fish here today. The water's really murky and it's low tide. I just don't think it would be good fishing. But like I said, there's a couple pools in the water up there. Dogs as well. If I were going to fish this, it would probably be over there. I can see right there where that boat's coming across. There's two currents that are hitting each other. So that's the point. I might grab my dry suit and walk out there. Anyways, we're gonna go back to the car and get the kayak ready. Might be going to Mason Lake in an up and coming video. So me and the dog, we're gonna walk back up to the car. This is not, I mean, it's low tide and it's probably, looks like it's about 10 feet low. Look at those piers, or those pilings. You can see where the high water mark is. It is definitely low tide. So alright, enjoy the walk back to the car. Show the people all the dirt and grass. Don't show me someone. Follow me. Flash.